I'm guessing you'd love if you could grow produce like this. But if you're just getting started, it can seem daunting. And even if you've been trying it for a while, you might not be getting the results you want. Here's the good news. I can easily show you how to get produce just like that without chemicals of any kind. And it's really pretty easy, especially if you just think of your job as giving your plants the best of what they need. And there are only 6 needs. So here's the first. Your first step is to grow them in a spot that gets as much direct sunlight as possible, because vegetable plants need a ton of direct sunlight to be at their very best, healthiest, most productive selves. It's their most important need, even above super rich, healthy soil, which is also super important. 2, you want to make sure they're getting this most important need met first, just like you want to do with all 6, so you're not having unnecessary problems trying to find solutions that are at best band-aids for the real problem of not getting their 6 needs met. 3, your plants will be so much healthier and more productive that you won't have many or any problems ever. And 4, finally, the amount of direct sunlight a spot gets is often the hardest thing to change. You can fix soil that's low in nutrients, too dry, or even too wet. And you can easily change your planting times to change the temperature in which your plants are growing. But there's usually nothing you can do to fix a spot that doesn't get enough direct sunlight. Doing so often means removing houses and large trees that give you shade and shelter and might not even be yours. So changing things that are theoretically not impossible, but practically so. And choosing a spot that you eventually decide to abandon because it just doesn't get enough direct sunlight means a lot of wasted work. So it's much easier to start with a spot that gets enough direct sunlight right away. How much direct sunlight do vegetable plants really need? Why do they need so much? And how can you meet your plant's other 5 needs? I explain each of these in these 2 shorts and this full clip.